guys, so it's Keoshia and I'm back for another video. If you like my videos, please give them a thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you turn on that notification bell so you don't miss any more videos from me. Without further ado, let's just get into today's video. Okay, you guys, I know you guys are excited when y'all read the title. This is my laundry room reveal video. I am so excited to reveal this video to you. I know it has been a long time since I told you guys I was finished with the laundry room and wrapping it up, and I was getting it out as soon, and I never did get it out. And so I'm just going to reveal it to you guys. There's like maybe one or two things that are not done. Like I want to change the light in here and I haven't been able to. And yeah, I think that's the only thing. Yeah, everything else is practically what it is and what it's going to be from years to come. So I'm super excited. First, before we get into the laundry reveal, I have to show you what the laundry room looked like before. As you can tell, the laundry room before was not that ideal. I mean, it functioned. It did what I needed to do. I could wash laundry in here. I could, have my deep freezer in here. I could store stuff, but it wasn't a nice place. So no more talking. Let's get into the video. Okay, you guys. So from the kitchen, this is the doorway. This is what you see if you're standing in the kitchen by the sink. This is what you will see. I did build this doorway here. Well, the doorway was there, but I did enclose it, encase it, and it has a fully functional door. And as you can see, the above is not done yet, but it's not affected in the laundry room, so it is what it is. But this is what the doorway looks like. Okay, so then you'll walk into the laundry room. To the right, the first thing you will see will be our back door. All I did was paint the casing of the back door, and the back door was already white, and then they already had this film on the door. Okay, so that's not something that I put on there, it was already there. And then if you keep going, it is our breaker box. Didn't have to paint that, it was already white, so I just painted that. You come back around, this is what the door on this side looks like, and it has a black handle and it goes down like that. Okay, so that is what you see, and you have to be wary of the angles because the laundry room is small. Next, you will come over to the utility sink area. At the top, I had these two shelves built, and I just decorated it with this picture from Target, and the greenery that's inside it came from Trader Joe's. I have these pumpkins from Target. That sign is from Kirkland's, and like I said, the shelves are custom built. And then down here I have this grateful pumpkin from Hobby Lobby, pumpkin from Target. The little sign is from the Target dollar spot. The little candle holder and the other little pumpkin are also from the Target dollar spot. And then you have the actual second shelf. Under the second shelf, I do have a under cabinet lighting that I got from Home Depot. It's not really that bad. I know you can see it, but it doesn't bother me any. And the reason why I did that, as you can tell, it is dark in this area because I built this broom closet and it kind of blocks the light. So I needed something to make it a little bit brighter. So what you do is you'll just click this and then you'll have light in this area, as you can see. Okay, so that's what it looks like. And then this is the utility sink. He did rebuild the top of the utility sink for me. It was a blue color. Didn't go with anything back here. So he basically made me a countertop out of wood, stained it, and then put the protection on it. And then I just put this little wood piece right there. But I kind of keep this kind of clear and not with too much stuff on it. That's why I have the two shelves so you can decorate up this way. Okay, so it's just a regular old utility sink. That's it. I did change out the faucet. It was a very small faucet in here before, and I didn't have one of those things you can spray. So I like to wash my hair back here and my daughter's hair, so it's better with this type of faucet. So I did upgrade that faucet, and I got that from Home Depot as well. I did change the light covers. As you can tell, this one's more white than that one. I haven't been able to go pick one up right here, but I did change this one out to make it look a lot better, a lot cleaner, and I will be changing that one out soon. And then the bottom cabinet used to be, you know, that brown color, so I did go ahead and prime it and paint it, if you saw that in my renovation videos. And then under here, I just have paint and stuff that I can't hold outside. So this is still like my utility area, my construction area, my DIY area, and I just have items down here below. It is not in any type of organized situation, but it doesn't matter to me. So that is what that looks like. And I did add handles. These did not have handles before, so I added these black handles on here to go with the black hardware I wanted in this area. Okay, so moving on along, to the left of the sink, there is this broom closet unit that my neighbor built for me, custom built to fit this area. I needed a place to house all of my brooms and my vacuum cleaner and stuff because I didn't want to see them on a regular basis, and before there was nowhere to store that stuff. So at the top I have this galvanized pan thing that I got from Hobby Lobby, and then inside of it I have some eucalyptus. It is real eucalyptus. I just set it up there and let it dry itself out, and now that's what it looks like. So it just turns into, you know, it'll dry itself out and it'll keep a nice good fresh scent in here. So that's what that looks like. And this is a close-up of what the door looks like to the broom closet. So it also has a black handle on it. Like I said, it will make a little noise when you open it. So when you open it up, I just have my dustpan, my broom, my mop, my Swiffer, and all of that. I have my vacuum cleaner here, my duster, my iron, and my mop bucket. And then I have my ironing board hanging right here on the actual door of the unit. I did not paint the inside because I didn't feel any need. It doesn't bother me when I open it up to see it's not painted or that it's unfinished. So that's that. So you just close that back, and that's how that looks. And then down below, I did get these this laundry basket and these two laundry little buckets that say wash, dry, fold from Big Lots. You guys saw that in some of my vlogs. And basically back here we put all of our dirty towels and blankets and stuff like that. And then in these two buckets right now I have like some lint, like when you get the lint out of the dryer, or the lint, like these little lint things right here. We'll just put them in there and I will empty that once a week. And then the bottom one has nothing in it. We have this top area of the actual unit where I can fold clothes or put clothes that need to go in the washing machine if I'm switching things out. This is like a work surface. And then above it we have another shelf that has been built, and it has this pumpkin from Target. This candle is from Target. This sign is from Big Lots, I believe, and then this pumpkin is from Target as well. Okay, so that is all that's on that shelf. That's what it looks like. And if you come from this side, there's nothing on this side of the thing. I thought about hanging something, but I'm not sure yet. And then if you pan down, there's nothing here either. So that is what that looks like, and this is how it looks from this side. Okay, and we're just gonna keep working our way around. So next you will come to the deep freezer and the wall here. So I got these two shutters from Habitat for Humanity. It was $10? Yeah, $10 for the shutter. It was a set, and I had to take them loose to create two shutters, so it was like attached to each other. The galvanized baskets are from Kirkland's. They was $14 a piece, and the greenery you see inside is from Trader Joe's. It's just flowers and stuff that I let dry out with eucalyptus, and I think it's two different types of eucalyptus, and then like the little straw stuff that I got from Trader Joe's, and I just let it dry out. And then here is my sign that says laundry today, naked tomorrow, that I hung here to be like the focal point when you walk in. It's kind of hard to see because of the glare, but that's what it says. Okay, moving right along. This is where my water heater is. If you guys remember, it was a big hole. There was no door or any kind of way to cover up the actual water heater, so it was just sitting out in plain sight for everybody to see. So I had my neighbor built me a door, and it basically opens up like that. As you can see, I painted the inside a little bit, but it doesn't impede anybody getting in there from using this. But I can also remove this shutter in the bucket if somebody needs to get all the way in it. And then inside is just my water heater. That's it. And then you just close the door back. And I also have the same black handle on it. I have this laundry room like mat. It just says wash, dry, fold, press. The laundry room self-service, open 24 hours. You guys know I recently got these new washer and dryers from Whirlpool, from Lowe's. Both sets was $1,260. So that's how much I paid for these new washer and dryer. Next, you will see I have a shelf that was built above the washer and dryer. I wanted an area that I could house stuff right above the washer and dryer. So on this side, I have this little white pitcher that I got from Target. Eucalyptus is from Trader Joe's. This sign is from Target. The candle holders from Target. This wash and dry sign is so cute. My sister bought it for me when she knew I was redoing my my laundry room. So she bought those off of Etsy for me and had them sent to me. It's so cute. I love it. And then these jars are from, I want to say Bargain Hunt. It was like $4 a piece. And I spray painted the lids black, and I just house my pods and some of my beads that you put in the washing machine to make your clothes smell good. So that's what's on this shelf. And I also changed out the cover on this to a crisp white color. And so that's what it looks like. Okay, as you can tell, under here it's a little dark as well. So I do also have a little under cabinet lighting for right there, so then it can brighten up the area for you as well. Okay, and now moving over here is the cabinets area. So it's the top cabinets above the washer and dryer. So the one above the washing machine just has some disinfectant wipes, some alcohol. These two brushes I use to scrub out stains. You know, if you have a stain and you want to do a spot treatment, I use old toothbrushes to actually go ahead and get those worked in. If you come to the first shelf, I just have these decorative laundry things. So these are from Walmart. This is from Big Lots, Target, Dollar General, and then above Walmart. And then I have my cleaning caddy, which has all of my cleaning products in it. And in these two, I will house overflow of these two. So if I have too much and these are full and I can't fit any more in there, then I will have the overflow in these two buckets. Okay, and then next to that, I have the one over the dryer, and it just basically has dryer sheets in here and a shelf divider, and that is it in here. Okay, and moving along, I did get a new AC unit, you guys know. So all I did was paint the actual brown trim around it, and I spray painted the grate that was here already. I just took it down to spray paint it to give it a fresh bright white look to match the rest of the room. And so that is what this looks like. Okay, you guys, as you know, it's daytime right now, so I just want to show you what it looks like if you come in here during the day and you don't actually turn the light on. You can still see pretty good in here. So this is what that looks like. So the sink area would look like this if you had the light off and walked in. Because the door is to the right of it, you can see actually pretty good. Okay, and then if you go further in, this is where it gets dark. You can still see pretty good, as you can tell, but it is a little bit more darker. You still will be able to see everything really good, but like I said, it's just a little bit darker back here when the light is not on. So if I was to turn on the under cabinet lighting right here, this is what it would look like with the light out. And I made sure to put it halfway in between so it get a little light on this first shelf and right under here, and it still brighten up the washer and dryer as well. All right, you guys, so that is the laundry room. I know it was short and quick, but my laundry room is no fuss. So we come in here to do laundry. It just looks nice, and that is it. I didn't do too much. All I did was paint and decorate. I didn't have to tear down walls or do anything like that, so it wasn't that much of a process. But if you want to see the full process from start to finish to right now, then I do have the renovation videos on my YouTube channel. I will link the first one above, and then you can follow the rest after that. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any more videos from me. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.